Hello everyone, welcome back. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to fix message not sending, message not deliver from your iPhone. You try to send a message but it's not deliver. So without wasting any time, let's get started. The first thing that we have to do, we have to launch settings. Here we have to tap on General and tap date and time and make sure that set automatically is unable. If already unable, disable set automatically, wait for few seconds, then enable. Now go back to settings. Here we have to tap on messages and turn on iMessage. Now go back to settings, wait for few seconds, then tap again messages. Here you will see an option send as a SMS. It will appear after few seconds when you turn on iMessage. Send as SMS turn on. Now go back to settings and enable airplane mode, wait for few seconds, then disable airplane mode. In the end, tap on General, transfer reset iPhone, reset all settings. Put your iPhone passcode and tap again reset all settings to confirm. This process will delete all your customized setting to default setting, but no data or media will be deleted. That's it. Hopefully friends, you found this video helpful, so please do like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching. Take care. Bye bye.